Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sell stocks in Trade. Log into your account and go to the Trade tab, enter the ticker symbol, choose Sell, select order type like Market or Limit, set quantity, review the estimated proceeds, confirm fees, and submit the order. Monitor the order status on the Orders page and verify the proceeds in your account balance once filled. Contact support promptly for discrepancies. Market orders execute immediately at the current price, while limit orders wait for your target price and stop orders trigger after a set price is hit. Consider partial fills, order duration like day or GTC, and how volatility can affect execution. Use advanced options like stop limit for better control, and review commission and tax implications before selling. Practice with small trades today, please, if you are new to order types. Quick recommendation: if you want to rethink money while you trade, check out The Simple Path to Wealth, a clear book about long-term investing and financial independence. It pairs well with a disciplined sell strategy and patience. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. See the description for the book link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Before selling, check holdings, cost basis, and unrealized gains to understand tax impact. Make sure you have trade permissions enabled and sufficient shares available in your account. Avoid selling shares on hold. After a sale, settlement usually takes 2 business days for stocks, so funds may be restricted until settlement completes. Keep records for Form 1099, reporting, and consult a tax professional for complex situations to avoid surprises at tax time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.